Stop romanticizing leadership for a second. Because after sitting down with Brittany Nish, I realized one thing categorically, that most people do not actually want leadership. They want title, they want praise, they want a LinkedIn post. But actual leadership, oh, it's messy, it's awkward conversations, it's pressure, responsibility, and making decisions when nobody's really clapping for you. And honestly, this episode scratched my brain in the best possible manner. So welcome back to another episode of the Unapologetic Fives, and this time I'm going to be sharing 5 essential things that stood out with me in my episode with Brittany Nish. So let's go. First, leadership is not a personality trait, it's an action. And I need everyone to breathe that in for a second, because people really think leadership is just about confidence and fancy titles. But no, leadership is actually what you do when things get really uncomfortable. That's a real test. Second, alright, this one was really loud. Titles mean absolutely nothing if people don't feel safe around you. You can be the head of strategy, vice president, chief of whatever. But if your team feels anxious each time the Slack shows your name, then you're probably just inching towards fear and just having a title. And this next one personally attacked me a little bit. Most people freeze in the messy middle. They want certainty before movement, clarity before action, guarantees before risk. But Brittany said something that really stayed with me. Real leaders move while still figuring things out. And honestly, that changes everything. Alright, now this conversation, we need to have it more openly. Because I feel like women are constantly taught this weird balance of be powerful, but don't be too much. Be ambitious, but still soft enough to make people comfortable around you. And wow, the amount of energy women spend to manage perception instead of just leading, that is insane. Alright, the last and my absolute favorite, people remember stories, not the frameworks, which is exactly why Brittany uses pop culture, sports, movies, Ted Lasso, Devil Wears Prada, all of it to teach leadership. Because nobody remembers your slide 42 of the corporate deck, but people will always remember the way you made them feel something. And honestly, that's leadership too. This episode genuinely felt like stripping away all the fake corporate language around leadership and finally talking about what leadership actually looks like in the real life. Full episode of Unapologetic Me with Brittany Nish is out, and I can assure you, this one's going to stay in your head for a very long time. I am personally going to wait to read your comments about the section that stood out particularly. Do let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.